Jai Sriman Narayana. 24th sloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter. Please repeat. Eva mukto hrishikesho gudakesena bharata सेनयोः उभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् Om. The message of this sloka is, if we are willing to conquer our sensory organs, Paramatma's help will be always with us. Sri Krishna Paramatma also gives a final message in 18th chapter, saying that, "Oh my dear child, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us say that, "O Sriman Narayana, I am very much willing to conquer my organs, sensory organs. Please be with me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," Sukracharya saying to Bali Chakravarti like this, "O Raja, after you gave those 3 feet of land, this Mayavi, this Sri Mahavishnu is going to captivate all the worlds. Then there will be no place for you to be alive at all. Oh my dear king, this Vamana, the moment you give your charity, kramato gam padaikena dvitiyena divam vibhoho khanchakayena mahata tartiyasya kuto gatihi ఒక్క పదంబున భూమియు నొక్కటద్రిదివంబు ద్రొక్కి ఉన్నతమూర్తిన్ దిక్కులు గగనము తానై వెక్కసమై ఉన్నన్ ఎందున్ వెడలదు చెప్పుమా." "Oh my dear Raja, the moment you give the charity to this Vamana, first thing that he does is, with his first feet, 1 feet, he is going to spread the entire bhumi. With the second foot, he is going to captivate entire space, Svargalokam. then he will become he will take his huge, unlimited, universal form, and while all the space and all the directions, all the sides, while they are all breaking into pieces, he is going to grow like anything and he will spread all over the universe. For Raja, then you will have nothing to give him for his third food. That way, the word that you gave to him, you cannot fulfill. The promise that you did, that you will give 3 feet to this Brahmana, you cannot fulfill. Like that Sukracharya saying to Bali Chakravarti. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 24th sloka. Eva mukto Hrishikesaha Gudakesena Bharata Senayoho Ubhayor Madhye Sthapayitva Radhottamam. Eva mukto Hrishikeso Gudakesena Bharata Senayorubhayor Madhye Sthapayitva Radhottamam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.